In today's video, I'm going to show you 7 ideas or ways to make money online using AI. No investment, no social media followers, and no experience needed. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tips. My name is Victor, and the first idea is to go to this platform called Whoop. Now, WOP is where people are selling different courses, communities, and digital products. Now, clicking over here to see all, when you find a good product, you can just click on it. It's going to open up their sales page, and you can scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you will always be able to find their affiliate program, which pays 30% reoccurring commissions. So all you got to do is just click Add to my affiliates dashboard, click on Go to Affiliate Dashboard, and you can instantly promote that product. So you can just copy the link, and that's going to be your affiliate link. Now, to promote these products and earn commissions, you can just go to ChatGPT.com, which is a free AI tool. You can then use this prompt, you can paste it here. You can just type in how many words you want. For example, 2,000-word blog post title, anything that promotes that product very well. Now, when I submit this into ChatGPT, it's going to write a full blog article that I can use. Now we just want to go over to this platform called Medium.com. When you sign up here, you can create your own blog post for free, and you can share them and get traffic not just from Medium, but from Google search as well. I would paste the title here, and I also recommend adding the year at the end of the title, and then you can pretty much just take this entire blog post that was written for you with ChatGPT. Now you want to click on the plus icon, click on Add an Image, search for the type of image you want to add, and once you have it, you can create a call to action that can be taking people to your affiliate link. So you've got to highlight this, make it bold, then go back to WOP. And if you're going to promote this as an affiliate, just scroll all the way down to the bottom, click on Add to my affiliate dashboard, copy your link, which is going to be in your affiliate dashboard. And all you've got to do is press on this button, then go back to Medium and just insert your affiliate link. Now you want to have the same call to action with the same link on as many parts of this blog article. Now, once you're ready, all you got to do is press Publish, add a few keywords related to this blog article, and click Publish now. Idea number 2. You see, when we go over to Etsy.com and we search for birth flowers, we are going to find a bunch of listings that are selling these birth flowers, just like this, as digital designs. They're making them pass some income every single month. So when you go to this AI tool that is completely free called ideogram.ai, you can create an account. You can briefly describe what you want to see. And this is exactly what I would say: a bunch of carnation flowers in style of watercolor, pseudo on white background. Then just click on Generate. Now, while that's being generated, we can go over to canva.com, then click on Custom Size right over here and select the custom size that is 1080 by 1080p. You don't want to click on text on the left side, click on Add a heading and type in a month, for example September, and then change the font to Aileron. Now type in the name of that birth flower. In this case, it's going to be Molly, and then I'm going to change this to another font that is called Alex Brush. Now we're going to go back to Ideogram, and here we have a few images generated, so I'm going to use this one. This one would be the best. I can just copy this image, go back to Canva, and paste it. Now here's how my design looks like as of right now. So what I can do is I can go click Share, click Download as a PNG file, and download it to my computer. Now if you want to create the same kind of mock-up as these guys, you can also go the extra mile and just go to freepik.com, search for frame mockup, and you're going to find a bunch of them that you can use. So let's say, for example, I want to use this mockup. I can just upload it to Freepik and click on Remove Background. Now, once you're done, just press Export and download this either as PNG or JPEG. Now you can go to Etsy and start a store like this. Idea number 3, and I found this YouTube channel called Bible in a Nutshell. They're posting AI-generated videos where they tell stories from the Bible, and there's actually thousands of such channels making money. And according to Social Blade, this particular faceless channel is doing up to $5,000 per month from ad revenue. But we have to keep in mind that they're posting only one video a month. Now, if someone were to post more than just one video a month, they would probably be getting a lot more views. Now, first of all, choose a niche. Then step number 2 is to choose a channel name. Copy this AI prompt, go to ChatGPT, paste it over here, and then I can just describe what kind of channel I have. So I have AI religion stories. Now, once you complete that, step number 3 is to create the actual Gmail account. For this, you can just go to gmail.com, click on Create an account for my personal use, set the name for your account and click Next. Select your birthday and click Next. Then just go over to youtube.com and click Sign In, then click on Create a Channel. Next up, we want to create channel branding, so we want to create our own logo and our own channel art. For this, I either use Photopea or Canva, or I can go to Leonardo AI, and there I can just describe what kind of image I want and then click Generate. And in this case, I entered a prompt that is a religious wise old man smiling while holding a Bible, profile picture, Pixar-style 3D animation. Now, while that is being generated, I'm going to go back to Canva, click on Custom Size, and in this case, we want to select a 1920 by 1080p. We're going to choose one of these profile pictures, click Download, and when I go back to Canva, what I'm interested in right now is to match the same color for the background. So I'm going to click on the background here, click on Background Color, and it's going to show me the photo color is here. Now we'll go to the text on the left-hand side, click on Add a Heading, and just add the name of my YouTube channel. Now once we have that, I'm going to click on Share, click Download as a PNG file, go back to my channel, click on Customize the channel, upload profile picture, and then channel art that I just made in Canva and Leonardo for free, and then click Publish. Next up, we're going to optimize the channel for step number 6, open up this ChatGPT prompt, and then you can copy and just change the variables in the brackets that are also highlighted in red. And when I submit that, I will get a full bio that I can copy, go back to my YouTube channel, which as of right now looks something like this. It's pretty nice. I'm going to click on Customize the channel, and while they're in the description box, I'm going to paste that ChatGPT result. Next up, let's say I want to make the same kind of video as this. Well, I'm going to use this ChatGPT prompt. You can just copy that and you can go back to ChatGPT. You can paste it and just change variables in the brackets. So for example, for me, it's animated Bible stories, style of writing is going to be friendly, and then I can just describe what the video should be about. Now, based on this, I'm going to get a full script generated for the entire video, including the hook, the intro, introducing a problem, etc. So it's a very well-optimized script. It doesn't sound AI-ish. So the next step is to go over to this AI tool called 11 Labs, where it can generate a voiceover based on this script. All I got to do is select the right voiceover. Now we'll just click Generate Speech. Next up, we're just going to edit the entire video, and we can create the same kind of images as these in a Leonardo AI, the same way that we did with a profile picture. And if you don't know what to type in a prompt, you can just take screenshots of these images, and you can ask ChatGPT like what kind of prompts should I be using, or you can just paste the script and ask ChatGPT like what prompts should I use to create this kind of Pixar 3D animation image. With ChatGPT will give you that prompt that you can copy and paste. Idea number 4 is to go to this platform called Temu. Now, Temu is now trying to compete with Amazon, and this is a place where people buy and sell different products, and they're making it very, very cheap. And they're also trying to push this platform as much as possible. That's why they now launched their own Temu affiliate program, which, as we can see, gives $20,000 rewards every 3 days to their affiliates. And every week they give away $3,000 to their affiliates as well. So they're really trying hard to get people to promote their products. That's why they're paying so much at the moment. So you can just sign up and you also get $2 bonus. You can then again use the same prompt that we use for Medium blog articles. So you can just go to medium.com, you can click Write, go to ChatGPT, paste that prompt, customize how many words you want. Let's say in this case from 1.5 thousand words, find a product that you want to promote. So let's say, for example, I want to promote this. I can now just take a screenshot, take the name of this product, go to ChatGPT and say, come up with 3 clickbaity blog article titles inside of which I can promote this product. And then just paste the name of that product. I'm going to copy this name over here. And then I'm going to go back to ChatGPT again, paste the title inside of this prompt that we used before, and then we're going to use the exact same keyword of the product itself. And then once you submit, I'm going to get a full blog article that I can then use inside of Medium to promote that product from Temu. For the product images, I will just click here, Save Image As, and then go back and click on the plus icon, upload that image. Now I'm going to paste this full article just like this, and in between the lines I will insert my Temu affiliate link so that people can purchase this product, and I will click Publish and Publish to Medium. Idea number 5, go to ChatGPT and ask it to make a list of 10 local business categories and 10 most profitable cities. For example, let's say barbershop in Dubai, so we're going to get a few ideas here. Now we want to go over to fiverr.com/affiliates to become affiliates for a Fiverr platform where people can purchase different services for freelancers around the world. So just click Join now. Now go to Google Maps and search for one of those businesses. For example, let's say I'm going to do barbershop in Dubai. Now we want to search and find barbershops that have less than 4.5-star ratings and are not ranking at the top of Google results. Once we find them, we want to open up their websites. We want to click on Contact, which is usually at the top or at the bottom of the website, and there we can find their email address. Now you want to go back to ChatGPT and you want to paste in this prompt that is asking ChatGPT to create different sales emails. So I'm basically saying you're now a professional copywriter, write a friendly sales email that I can send to these businesses to sell them on the idea of running and managing their local SEO to help them rank on Google. So now we have the first email generated over here. So now if you go over to Fiverr and you search for rank on Google, you're going to find a bunch of different services where people are doing that for others. So we can click on the share icon over here, click on copy the link, and then simply create an affiliate link for that service. Go back to ChatGPT, take one of these example emails, paste that as a subject line, go back, copy the email address that you found from that business on Google, paste it into recipients, then go back to ChatGPT and take this entire email that was now created for you. Just want to make sure that you change the variables in the brackets and just sign yourself off at the bottom, and you can also attach your affiliate link directly. Next idea is to use these ebook ChatGPT prompts to create ebooks that you can sell on Google and Amazon. Now, Google Partner Center for Books is a new platform that is also trying to compete with Amazon, and now they're splitting over 70% of their revenue with those who publish books on here, because again, they're trying to outcompete Amazon. Now you can post both on Google and Amazon KDP, which is pretty much the same thing in publisher ebooks, and you can use these prompts to create the actual ebook. So all I got to do is just describe what the ebook is going to be about. And if you're not sure what your ebook is going to be, you can just go to Amazon, search for Kindle books, and you're going to find a bunch of different books, and you're going to see exactly what's actually getting sales. So for example, this one got 38,000 reviews, which means over 38,000 people who read this. And the rest of the prompts are going to allow you to create the actual ebook. Idea number 7 is to start a faceless shorts channel in any niche you want.